Hey guys, alright, so I know I need to do my nails. Okay, well, I have had some people ask me how to use Carbmanager. So I open Carbmanager and it automatically brings me to the current day. And so then it shows my day. You can go to in-depth where it'll tell you about your week, and then you can change from net carbs to your fats, to your proteins, come on, net calories. And then I like this right here, in depth. It kind of just shows you.
I'm reminding you, lights out, boys.
Okay, Alexa, thank you. I like the in-depth because it kind of shows you what your actual...
I'm reminding you, lights out, boys.
It kind of shows you what your actual percentages are. So like today, I had 2% net carbs, which was 11 gram of carbs, and only 43 calories came from carbs. 76% fat, 178 grams, 1598 of those are calories. And then 22% protein, 115 grams, 461 of those are calories from protein. Then you can come down here and you can see what contributed to your net carbs. So my highest thing that contributed to my carbs was the 90-second bread that I made with almond flour. That was 2.7 grams. Then next in line was my eggs, then the bacon. I had a Baconator, no bun and no ketchup, actually no mayo either, for lunch, and then my coffee in the morning, and then I had bacon for dinner. I had bacon and eggs for dinner. So it shows you that. It shows you your nutritional totals, your calories, and it breaks it all down for you. Now, I used to have premium, but I canceled that. I actually didn't cancel it. They canceled it on me because I didn't have any money in my account, and I just never re-got it. But if you are interested in tracking all nutrients, that's a good way to do that. So this is an example of the in-depth. You can track how much water you drink every day. I don't tend to. I really should, but I don't. If you have a Fitbit or any other type of step counter, you can also add that, your fitness device, to this, and this will track your steps. And then you can, I think you have to be a premium member in order to do that, but you can also have this like deduct from your calories and things like that. So mostly the number one thing that I use it for is to track my food. So another nice thing is you can add and save food. So like this Keto Mom's Bulletproof Coffee, this I have to everything that I have in it. I made a recipe. I put 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, unsweetened iced coffee by Starbucks, and then I usually do 2 tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla syrup by Torani. So that's mine, and then it gives me all my details about it here. So I have that programmed in, so every morning after I have my coffee, I can just, we'll say, we just click here on this 3 button, add food, and then it's usually on top because I have it every day. Like yesterday I had this Halo Top ice cream, so I would just click there, and then you can pick, like your size. And then it's going to tell you everything right here, and then you would just hit add to today, which I'm not going to add that because I didn't eat that today. I'm done eating for the day. So this is everything that I had today. And then I'll just hit I'm done logging. And then it tells me, good job meeting your carbs today, because I still have 9 grams carbs left. I did go over a little bit on my fats and a tiny bit on my calories, but that's okay. As you've seen, I'm happy here. I stayed well under my carbs, and my fat and protein ratios are pretty good. So, foods. Again, this is foods. These are all recent foods that I've looked up or had in the past. Quick finds. These are recipes that I have created and added in here, which is quite a bit actually. I didn't realize. Recently viewed. This is just things that I've recently looked up to see the carb amounts on them. Frequent. As you can see, I've used heavy whipping cream in this app 54 times. Coffee, like I guess I eat a lot of eggs and avocados, MCT oil, bacon, pepperoni. Like I look all that up quickly and a lot. And these are all foods that I have entered in myself. And if you are a premium member, you do have meal plans that you can generate. They have a whole recipe section. Another thing that I like is this scanning thing. Hold on, let me get something to scan for you. Lemon from lemon water, sparkling water from Aldi. Why isn't this focusing? I said focus, camera. Okay, there we go. So I have this, and you would just scan that, and then it brings it up. And this is 0 everything, so this is correct, you know. And if I wanted to add this, I just hit this little check mark at the top. And so then if I went back and I hit those buttons and I went my daily log, it's gonna have right here. It added it twice. I must have hit it twice, but anyways, it added it in. What else? So exercise, you can add all your different exercises, cardio, weights, and then it actually shows different ones that you can choose from. Quick find. I don't mess with the exercise area, so you can enter your own. You can enter in how many, you know, if you did like treadmill stuff, you could enter that in there. My measurements. Yes, this, I track this all the time. So this is mine. This is my journey from 300 pounds down to 252 pounds currently. As you can see, it's not always just a steady, it's a up and down. In the last 30 days, I've lost almost 3.4 pounds. Like I said, February wasn't the best month. I said in a previous video. In the last 60 days, I've lost 13, but all time since November 1st, I've lost 44.4 pounds. And then you can see your journey. So as you can see, I've been doing well so far for the month of March. February, not so much. I kind of hovered around the same 5 pounds. January, I had some losses. Yeah, you see, it's a give and take. Here, this is where the premium comes into play. I wish I could show you that. But if you track glucose, insulin, ketones, cholesterol, blood pressure, that's all there. My nutrition and wellness, you can see how many times, like here on Monday, I went over on my carbs. And you can look last 60 days. So yeah. I've had some days, you know, I've had some days where I went up, and that's all right. I've gotten back on track. Again, you can't see everything now, and that sucks because I used to be able to look at everything. Hydration and sleep, you can track all that. Community. I didn't know that there was a community, but apparently there is. And I never paid attention to any of this. So you can do all kinds of stuff in there. You'd have to look into that more. I don't know nothing about that. I really wish I could click on all this. Recipes and meal plans. Can you even look up the dishes anymore? Okay, you can. So you're still able to look up their recipes. They do have recipes in here. I've actually never made anything from in here. But some of them look pretty good, to say the least. I mean, I should go through here and try to make a couple. And they have dinners and desserts and all kinds of stuff. Can't click on meal planner anymore. Can't click on go premium settings. Okay, so settings. How you want to set it up. So, I have it set to track net carbs, track all macros on, track calories on, deduct calories when I exercise on, even though I don't have anything set up. I like the progress wheel. You can have it on a bar instead if you'd rather. Let's see. My profile. So then you enter your height and your weight, your starting weight. your current weight, your activity level for there. Macros, I like to keep smart macros on because it'll update you as you go. So it will change things if they need to be changed. And then here, I want to lose weight. So it's telling me that I need to, cut my calories by 32.9. It's saying my calorie goal. It says I'll lose about 8.3 pounds per month. And then this is where you can change the different types of macros that you want to do. Then you just click apply. I'm confused why I'm still able to have smart macros on because I don't have premium anymore, and it is a premium thing, but it has been changing for me. And then, diet goals, health goals. Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so tired. Advanced. And then there's some little books that you can read, some ebooks that come on there. I've read a couple of them before. They're pretty good. So yeah, there's actually a lot of different articles that they have listed under here for you if you're just starting keto. And then they have a few, like a basic setup to help you get through all that. But yeah, I really enjoyed this one. I like this one a lot better. You can keep notes down here every day. It always shows you the newest recipes. You can actually get a meal plan sent to you, personalized, depending on your macros. I love this app. It's a good app. So yeah, guys, that's all I got for you today. I just wanted to show you guys how to use Carbmanager. I had a few people ask, and people were interested in which one I used, and this is it. So I hope you guys have a good day.